Jasmy for the most part acquired roughly 4.08% inside the kind of most recent 24 hours in an essentially significant manner. The EMA 50 basically is right now at $0.007, which generally is very critical. 24-hour exchanging volume for Jasmy coin essentially is drifting at $87,003,429, or so they certainly thought. Jasmy for the most part has its truly next obstruction at $0.006 in an extremely enormous manner. 13 November 2023, in this video we will in a real sense walk you through Jasmy coin cost examination for now or for in every practical sense, 1 week from now and all things considered, attempt to answer these habitually especially got clarification on some things, facts. What really is somewhat momentary cost expectation for Jasmy coin, truly is Jasmy a very wise speculation, or so they for the most part thought. Jasmy coin support and opposition levels and so forth in a very significant manner. Yet, prior to plunging sort of profound into the Jasmy specialized investigation, let us for the most part discuss the essentially current economic situations, which by and large is very huge. Market examination over the especially last 24 hours, there generally was a destruction of 1.84%, bringing the truly whole cryptographic money market to $1,414,664,667,125 in a huge manner. The kind of all-out exchanging volume generally remains at $48,913,730,687, which especially shows that 24-hour exchanging volume for Jasmy coin sort of is drifting at $87,003,429, which essentially is genuinely huge. Bitcoin shares 51.09% of the entry market, while Ethereum basically has a predominance of 16.33%, certainly in opposition to mainstream thinking. Which especially brought about Bitcoin's cost dropping down to $36,984.30 level after a decay of 0.33%, certainly further appearance how the essentially complete exchanging volume in every practical sense remains at $48,913,730,687, which for the most part shows that 24-hour exchanging volume for Jasmy coin sort of is floating at $87,003,429 in an especially significant manner. Various elective digital currencies, as Ethereum generally has seen a cost increment of 0.29%, coming to $2,056.26 during the past 24 hours in a genuinely large manner. While distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $247.16, following a value change of 0.88% within a similar time period, or so they generally thought. XRP, the sort of local coin of XRP, certainly is somewhere around 2.19 and right now exchanging at 65 cents, which sort of is genuinely critical. Furthermore, Solana came to $57.83 subsequent to seeing a downfall of 3.02% in esteem in an especially significant way. These occasions really demonstrate that the market especially is going in an especially descending bearing for sort of momentary and in every practical sense, large way. As of now, a truly broad, truly regrettable plunge can being seen all through the crypto market, especially further appearance how moreover, Solana came to $57.83 in the wake of seeing a decay of 3.02% in esteem in an unpretentious way. Jasmy coin backing and obstruction backing and opposition basically are significant specialized markers used to for the most part distinguish extremely key cost levels where the pattern can take an alternate route, showing that Jasmy certainly acquired around 4.08% inside the sort of most recent 24 hours, which truly is genuinely critical. Support by and large is a level at which purchasers in a real sense become commonly more exceptionally dynamic and explicitly prevent the coin's cost from falling any further. Which especially shows that Jasmy coin backing and obstruction backing and opposition explicitly are significant specialized pointers used to explicitly recognize especially key cost levels where the pattern can take a different path, exhibiting that Jasmy basically acquired roughly 4.08% inside the most recent 24 hours, which basically is genuinely huge. Similarly, obstruction generally is a level at which merchants especially become move truly dynamic and most certainly prevent the coin's cost from moving higher, really as opposed to mainstream thinking. Following essentially are the help and obstruction levels of Jasmy coin, Jasmy coin execution. The fundamentally current Jasmy coin cost generally is $0.007, with an exchanging volume of $87,003,429 in the for the most part beyond 24 hours, which in every way that really matters is very critical. As of now, Jasmy generally is up by 4.08% since yesterday, with a market capitalization of $341,029,565 United States dollars, showing how Jasmy generally acquired roughly 4.08% inside the especially most recent 24 hours, essentially as opposed to prevalent thinking. Jasmy Coin Value Examination Jasmy Cost Investigation for 13 November 2023, inside a kind of day-to-day time span, made sense of underneath, exhibiting what certainly brought about Bitcoin's cost dropping down to $36,984.30 level after a decay of 0.33%, genuinely further appearance how the kind of complete exchanging volume in a real sense remains at $48,913,730,687. Which explicitly shows that 24-hour exchanging volume for Jasmy Coin for the most part is drifting at $87,003,429, which in every practical sense is very huge. We utilize fundamentally relative strength index RSI, moving really normal combination and dissimilarity, MACD, backing levels, obstruction levels, different time span moving midpoints, including sort of basic moving sort of normal, SMA, and remarkable moving in every practical sense, normal, EMA, to examine the future development of the Jasmy coin. Genuinely in opposition to mainstream thinking as a matter of fact. The MACD line in a real sense is remaining beneath of the very signal line after a hybrid, so as of now, a general negative plunge can being seen all through the crypto market, sort of additional appearance how moreover, Solana came to $57.83 subsequent to seeing a decay of 3.02% in esteem. Truly as opposed to prevalent thinking. Jasmy Coin financial backers need to truly sit tight for any directional change over the by and large day-to-day graph. So various elective digital currencies, as Ethereum truly has seen a cost increment of 0.29%, coming to $2,056.26 during the past 24 hours, or so they truly thought. The truly relative strength file, RSI, for Jasmy Coin certainly is as of now floating at 19 for 14 days especially normal line, which fundamentally implies Jasmy basically is an oversold zone, and a pattern truly inversion truly is conceivable, which essentially shows that at present, Jasmy generally is up by 4.08% since yesterday, with a market capitalization of $341,029,565 United States dollars. Showing how Jasmy especially acquired roughly 4.08% inside the by and large most recent 24 hours, genuinely in spite of prevalent thinking. While Jasmy's Williams %R marker essentially is at 77.222 for the 14-day time span showing a non-partisan condition. A exchange in every practical sense, signal truly is somewhat conceivable at this reach, exhibiting how moreover, Solana came to $57.83 subsequent to seeing a downfall of 3.02% in esteem, by and large in